Hi there, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest. Thanks so much for stopping by to see what I'm up to. Today I am participating in a challenge hosted by Sonia over at Domestic Diva DIY and Lisa Birmingham. If you have not seen these ladies' channels, you need to go check them out. They are amazing. They do farmhouse decor, trash to treasure, decorating. It's just amazing what these ladies come up with. I'll have both of their links and the playlist link down in my description box. The challenge today is to decorate our tiered trays for the fall. So I am going to be using this square tiered tray that I made a while ago. It's my favorite, and I'm doing tiered trays. There are some staples that I always use. This was a tiny little thrifted picture. I think it's perfect. It has a beautiful color to it. So I always leave it like this, put something in with it. And something else that I always use is these little buckets from the Dollar Tree. They come 3 to a pack, and these ones are the galvanized or the metal buckets, but you can also get some white ones. A couple of new things that I got for this year are these cute little espresso cups that came from my Dollarama. They were $1.25, and look at how cute they are. They're just so cute and tiny. What I did was write the words pumpkin and spice, so it's going to have to go... Uh-oh, I wrote them the wrong way. Anyway, so pumpkin and spice. I'm going to probably put one on this level and one on the bottom level, but look at how adorable they are. They're going to look really cute filled with some pumpkins or pine cones or something fall anyway. I also picked up this bag of pumpkins from Amazon. I'll have that link down in my description box. And these are just going to be used as fillers. I don't use a lot of orange. I did color and paint some of these, but I'm going to probably use a couple of them just to give some brightness to the display. I'm also going to use some of these little sunflowers from my Dollarama. They were $1.50 for one little bush, so I'll probably place those around the tray too. A week ago, I made some Dollar Tree little minis. These are the Dollar Tree terracotta pots. I'll have that video linked down in my description box so you can see all of the cute things I made, along with this little scrap wood ladder and a couple of other little things, this little wreath with a little picket fence. So I've got a lot of little minis that I'm going to be using for this tray as well. I'm going to get started decorating. I'm not going to talk through it, but you can just watch as I create things, as I put things together, probably take some stuff apart too, and then hopefully I'll end up with a finished product that I love. If you'd like to see how I made this tiered tray, I'll have that video linked down in my description box, along with the one where I make all of these little minis. I think I'm finally done with my tiered tray. I love how it looks, and I think I've added just the right amount of decor to fill it all up nicely. There's just one little hole right here that I think I might add a little bit something extra to. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done. I changed up a couple of things, and now I'll take you on a tour. I'd like to thank Sonia and Lisa for hosting today. It was a lot of fun decorating my tray for the fall season. If you like this kind of content, I would love it if you would stick around a while and hit that red subscribe button. You can also click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.